Hey guys, Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. Now I want to show you the multi-fit rim. Now the multi-fit rim allows you to fit a spare wheel or any wheel on a Ford or Holden stud pattern. So as you can see, you've got 10 holes there for your studs to go through. So those 10 holes will match up with either a Holden HT stud pattern or a Ford stud pattern. They come in both a 13-inch and a 14-inch rim. Now we sell the rims so you can get the tyre that you need fitted on it, whether it's a 13-inch 155 tyre, a 13-inch 165 or a 14-inch 175. All you need to do is take the galvanised multi-fit rim to a tyre place, tell them the size tyre you need, they'll fit it up for you. So we have these in stock here at our workshop and in our retail store. Our address is Factory 1, 82 to 84 Bellingara Road, Miranda. Come down, I can tell you more about them if you want to know more. We have them here.